All right, you little fifth graders, I taught you how to do that the last class. I want you to remember how to do that and solve that problem. A fraction divided by a whole number, 1/6 divided by 9. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how bad you did. 1/6 is my dividend. 9 is a whole number. I must change it to a fraction by putting a 1 underneath. Now, 1/6 stays the same. Division becomes multiplication, and I find the reciprocal of my fraction. 9 over 1 becomes 1 over 9. 1 ninth. And then I just multiply straight across. 1 times 1 equals 1. 6 times 9 equals 54. Yes, that is the simplest form. No, that is not an improper fraction. There you have it. 1 over 54. Now, let's learn something new. This time we've got a whole number divided by a fraction. This time the whole number is my dividend. I still have to change it into a fraction by putting a 1 under it. But I leave it alone. The division becomes multiplication. My divisor becomes the reciprocal of whatever the fraction is. 1/2 becomes 2 over 1. And now I just multiply straight across. 12 times 2 is 24. 1 times 1 equals 1. That is an improper fraction. But here's a hint. Whenever you have 1 as your denominator, the numerator is your answer. 24 is the answer. All right, I'm going to leave that one there for you to look at, and I want you to solve this one. 10 divided by 1/10. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how excellent you did. 10 is my dividend, but I must change it into a fraction. Put a 1 under it. The division symbol becomes multiplication. 1/10 becomes a reciprocal. 10 over 1. I just flip it, and then I just multiply like normal. 10 times 10 equals 100. 1 times 1 equals 1. Remember, when 1 is the denominator, the numerator becomes your answer. The answer is 100. Easy, easy, easy. Let's try it again. 7 divided by 1/8. Do that now. Pause the video. All right. Let's see how excellent you did. 7 is my dividend. I must put a 1 underneath it to make it a fraction. I change the division to multiplication. I find the reciprocal of 1/8, 8 over 1, and then I multiply straight across. 7 times 8 equals 56. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 is my denominator. That means my numerator is my answer. The answer is 56. Easy, easy, easy. Let's see if you can remember how to divide two fractions. Do that now. Pause the video. All right, let's see how wonderful you did. 1/8 is my dividend. It stays the same. Division becomes multiplication. 6 over 11 becomes 11 over 6. And now I must multiply straight across. 1 times 11 becomes 11. 8 times 6 becomes 48. 11 over 48. Is that an improper fraction? No. Is that in simplest form? Yes. So there you have it, you little 5th graders. That's how it is done. Now get on Google Classroom and get to work. YMCA. YMCA.